Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI to Trello using Zapier, allowing Claude to access Trello tools and workflows through a connector. So start by opening Claude on your computer and signing into your account. Next, you're going to click your profile icon in the lower left corner and select settings from the menu. Inside the settings page, choose connectors from the sidebar and then click browse connectors to view the available integrations that can be added to Claude. In the search field, type Zapier and select the Zapier connector from the results. Click Add or Connect to begin the setup process. You'll be redirected to Zapier where you'll need to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. So follow the on-screen instructions and authorize Zapier so it can communicate with Claude. Once the connection is complete, open your Zapier dashboard from the Zapier workspace. Locate the MCP server section and select it. Next, choose Add Tool to add a new service to your MCP configuration. And after that, you gotta search for Trello and select it from any available app list. After selecting Trello, choose the tools or actions you'd like to make available through Claude. You can select individual tools or enable all available Trello actions depending on your needs. Now click Connect and proceed to the Trello authorization screen. Sign into your Trello account and approve the requested permissions so Zapier can access your Trello workspace. Once authorization is complete, return to Zapier and finish the setup process. The Trello tools will then be added to your MCP server and become available for Claude to use. After everything is connected, you can return to Claude and begin using Trello-related actions directly through your chats.